a Mississippi mud pie with chocolate, cocoa and cream enriched with a Good Day Chunkies crust. Hi, I'm Nandita Iyer and today on Britannia Dessert Carnival, I'm going to show you how to make the iconic Mississippi mud pie. So first we'll prepare the crust for the pie, and I'm going to be using Good Day Chunkies for the crust. Here I have crushed around 2 packets of Chunkies, and to this I'm going to add melted butter. Abundance of chocolate chips in the Good Day Chunkies will ensure that we have a perfectly gooey chocolate in every bite. So the melted butter has mixed thoroughly with the cookie mixture, and I'm going to press it into the pie mold. And now this is ready to go into the refrigerator for around 15 minutes until it sets. Now I'll start making the filling mixture for the pie. So I have a double boiler set up here, a pan with some water and a bowl on top of the pan. And here's some chopped chocolate which I'm going to add here, and some cream. So we are waiting for the chocolate to melt into the cream so that we have a ganache. As you can see, the chocolate has melted into the cream and we have a fairly smooth mixture here. So this ganache is ready. I'm just going to keep this aside for now and we'll get started with the remaining filling. So here's some butter. And we have some brown sugar. I'm creaming the butter and sugar together here. We'll just scrape this down once and whisk it one more time. And now I'm adding the eggs to the mixture. So I'm adding 1 egg at a time. And now I'm going to add the cocoa powder and some chocolate essence, and I'm going to beat this again. Now it's time to mix in the ganache into this mixture. Take care that this has come down to room temperature before mixing it in, otherwise the eggs in this mixture can curdle. And this is your Chunkies tip of the day. I'm just mixing all this up together. So the filling for our Mississippi mud pie is ready. Let me get the crust out of the fridge. So our pie crust is ready. I'm going to pour in the filling into the pie crust and then bake it. Now it's time to bake this pie. I have preheated an oven at 175 degrees and we'll be baking this for around 30 to 40 minutes. So our chocolate and happiness overloaded Mississippi mud pie is ready to indulge in. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit the like button, share it with your friends and do subscribe for more recipes in the Britannia Dessert Carnival.